Hey everyone! In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to make a calendar using Canva, whether you need it for school, planning content, or just staying organized. It's super simple, so let's get started. So first, head to the top search bar and type in calendar. Canva has tons of ready-made templates, so you won't have to design one from scratch. Scroll through the designs and pick one that fits your style. You can choose something simple, colorful, minimal, whatever you prefer. Once your template opens, start editing the text. Update the month, the year, and any days or notes you want to personalize. Just click on any text box to change it. Now, if you want to switch up the colors or fonts, use the toolbar at the top. This is where you can, yeah, change the vibe of the calendar to match your theme or brand. You can also drag in photos or graphics to make things a bit more fun. Canva has tons of free elements, so feel free to add icons, shapes, or even a background image. Just don't overcrowd it, unless that's your style, of course. If you're making a full yearly calendar, click the duplicate page button below your canvas. This lets you copy the layout and just change the month so you don't start over every time. All right, when everything looks good, click the share button at the top right, then choose download. Pick PDF or a PNG, whichever works for you. And that's it. Your calendar is ready. So yeah, that's how you make a custom calendar in Canva. It's quick, easy, and honestly kind of fun once you start playing around with the designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next